Hi, boys and girls. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find and play a game on Everyday Math Online. First, find the Clever app. It's the big blue button with the white C. Then, use your Clever badge to log in. When you arrive in Clever, scroll down until you find the red button that says Graw Hill. When you see the picture of our math book, tap the words Everyday Mathematics Grade 1. Then you should see your name at the top and all these colorful buttons. Tap the bright blue button at the bottom that says EM Games Online. You should also see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, you should see the Games menu. Today, you will play the Facts Workshop game. Look for the gear, then tap the button. You will only have one option for playing this game, the first grade addition and subtraction game, so tap the button. After you pick your color, then tap the word play. Listen closely to the directions. You will be given a domino or a group of numbers. You will need to decide which equations on the 3 cards below match the domino. In this example, you would tap the first white card because the domino has 1 part 0, 1 part 5, and a total of 5 dots. The domino in this example shows the equation 9 minus 1 equals 8 because the total number of dots on the domino equals 9. If you hide the part or side of the domino that has 1 dot, all that would be left is the part with 8 dots. Work hard, mathematicians. Off you go.